So have you ever had this happen before? You need to format the disk in Drive before you can use it? Well, today I'm going to be running you through step by step on how to fix this error message. And by the way, if this video helps you out, be sure to leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. But after watching this video, if you're still stuck, leave a comment down below as well, and we might be able to help you out a little bit further in a pinch. So the main reason that you need to format the disk before using it is due to the file system, either being corrupted or not supported, which means that our PC just can't read it. And this corruption is a common occurrence on really any drive, everything from SD cards and flash drives to internal SSDs and hard drives. And this is usually caused by disconnecting your drive improperly or in the middle of a file transfer, or even system power loss. However, what this also means is that our files are likely still there, and before formatting, we should attempt file recovery from the drive using data recovery software. So when you encounter this error, whether it's on an SD card, a USB flash drive, another external hard drive, an internal drive, it's important to realize that all of your data is likely still there, which is why I actually suggest Disk Drill for this situation. It's capable of bypassing these errors and has frequently saved myself and others from data loss, and all it takes is a simple scan to see if the files are still there. So to recover data from the disk that you need to format before use, you can do the following. Step 1, download and install Disk Drill onto your PC. Just download it from the website and then run the installer on your PC, which will install Disk Drill to your desktop. Next, once it's installed, ensure that your drive is connected to your PC and open Disk Drill. And from here, you'll be presented with the disk list, a list of all the drives and devices that are connected to your PC at the moment. Step 2, since we're dealing with a corrupted drive, it would be best to create a byte-to-byte backup of our drive and scan that instead. Now, if you want, you can also scan the drive directly if you want to save time, but it is safer to follow these preliminary steps. To create a backup of your drive, navigate to the byte-to-byte backup menu, select your drive in the center, and hit Create Backup. Next, choose a name for your backup and a save location with ample space, and hit OK. Now once the backup process is complete, navigate back to the disk list, select Attach Disk Image in the bottom left, and load the image you just made. Step 3, select our drive or drive image from the list of devices, hit Search for Lost Data, and you'll be asked if you want to do a universal scan or advanced camera recovery. Now, while we recommend using universal scan, if you are recovering lost videos specifically, you can run advanced camera recovery additionally afterwards for better results. Step 4, once the scan is done, you can review all the files that were found using the button in the top right corner of the screen. Here you can navigate through the files and review all that was recovered during the scan. You can use things like the preview feature to get a live preview of both photos and videos right inside of Disk Drill. Just click on the one you want, expand the preview window, and you can see a complete and full preview right inside the software. Now you can also navigate up to the top toolbar and enable icon view. This, along with the recovery chances feature, give you a really solid idea of which files are completely intact and able to be recovered in full. Step 5, once you've found the files you want to recover, place a check next to the files you want, hit Recover in the bottom right, and choose a safe save location. And finally hit Next, and this will export all of your recovered files to your save location. You can open that save location and view all of your files, copy them, and do with them whatever you wish. Okay, now with all of our files recovered, let's move on to phase 2, which is to correct the error. And the first thing that we're going to use is a console command called CHKDSK. Now the one caveat here is that this method might not work if your drive is listed as raw in disk management. However, it works quite well at correcting file system errors for NTFS drives just like this SD card. And you can use it by doing the following. First, open a new CMD window from the Start menu. Then enter this command, where we replace X with the drive letter assigned to our drive. Then hit Enter, which will run the command and attempt to fix the file system. Now another way to fix you need to format the disk in Drive without formatting is by using open source software called TestDisk. Now this is very similar to CHKDSK that we just used, but it covers a wider range of scenarios when it comes to file system damage. And we can use it by first downloading it from the website, opening the zip file, and launching it from there. Next, create a new log file by hitting Enter and select your drive from the list. Then select your partition, the partition table type, and start a quick search for the partitions on the drive. Then after this, assuming there's only one partition on the drive, simply select it and rewrite the partition structure all within the program. Now I do have a video with a much more in-depth tutorial on how to use TestDisk. It's in a completely different video, so if you want to see that, I will leave it as a link down below in the description. Now finally, if previous fixes have not worked, the only thing left to do is to format the drive. Now of course, formatting will erase all of the data on the drive, but because we took the recovery step beforehand at the beginning of this video, there's no risk of data loss. And so you can format your drive and restore its functionality by doing the following. First, open a new File Explorer window. Locate your drive in the sidebar, which in my case is my SD card. Right-click your drive, hit Format, ensure your file system is either NTFS or exFAT, hit Start, and OK. And this will format the drive, which should restore its functionality by completely reinstalling its file system. But that's it. That is how you fix the "you need to format the disk in drive" error before you can use it, and hopefully not lose your data in the process. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel down below for more recovery videos just like this one in the future. But until next time, I'll see you soon with something new.